Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to take you guys with me thrift shopping in Japan. I'm going to a thrift shop that's right down the street. I've never been here before and I'm really excited, so let's go. We're waiting for the bus right now and it said that it was gonna be here in 1 minute, but I don't see it coming. So it's okay, we're just gonna wait for the bus because it's raining and I don't feel like walking all the way. And plus I don't really know where it is. So I'm hoping my friend who I'm meeting knows where it's at. Okay guys, so I'm with Molly. She's over there. I don't know if you can see her walking. But we can't find the bus that we're supposed to take to the thrift shop. So I texted all my friends asking if they know. Hey, I can't find it. The bus stop. We're not about to walk a mile. Guys, we found the bus stop and it only took us 20 minutes. And we were at this other bus stop and then we were talking to this really kind lady and then she told us that we were at the wrong bus stop. So yeah, we are now at the right bus stop and we're gonna go thrift shopping. Alright guys, we definitely found a lot of cool stuff and I'm going to try it on, let you guys know how it goes. Look like a librarian. Alright guys, I'm all done and I ended up only spending $30. I ended up getting 5 things and when I get home, I will show you guys what I got. Hey guys, so I got home yesterday and then I realized that I never showed you guys what I got from the thrift store, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. The first thing I got was this blue cropped sweater and it comes up a little bit and I think this is really cute and I love the color of it. The next thing I got was this oversized sweater. It's really cute and I love how this looks. Just wear it with some black jeans, just like this. And yeah, I think this is great for the winter and it's pretty cold here in Japan. So it is good. Okay, the next thing that I got was this vintage Nike zip up. It's kind of velvety. It kind of reminds me of the Juicy Couture jumpsuit. And I only got this for $2.50. So I think that is a deal. Super cute. Okay, the next thing that I got was this green striped Tommy Girl zip-up jacket. I think this is really cute. I also got this for about like $4 maybe. I think this is so cute. Yeah. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, next I got another vintage zip-up jacket, kind of similar to the other two, but this one is Adidas, and I think this is just really, really cute. I kept on finding them, so I kept on grabbing them, and they were so cheap. Like this one I think I got for $4 as well, and I just think it's super cute. So then the last thing I got was this jacket, and it says Japan on it, and I just think this is so cool. I found this in the men's department, well, the men's section, and I just think this is so cool, and it's just a piece that is going to remind me of Japan once I leave. But yeah, I just think this is so cute, and I could wear this for a lot of different things. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye!